we are going to convert this entire static HTML page and make it look cool like this. It has input fields for username and the password with a sign in button, and it has animations, it has transitions and so much more. And we do all that with just CSS. Here's how. But first, let's complete this HTML part quick. Open the index.html and add this container with a heading and create a form with 2 text boxes, one for the username and one for the password. Then a forgot password option and an input button to submit the form and a sign up link. And that's it. HTML, check. Now let's jump to CSS. Now let's add an image. Okay, not what we wanted, but we are getting somewhere. Let's keep going. And then style the container here. Add the keyframes for the box in animation. Style the h1 tag. Style the form. Style the text box. Style the input field. And then the label, the span inside the text box. And then we add the label animations. And then style the placeholder text. And then the forgot password section. And we are almost there. Just a few more styles left to do. Add the submit button and then the submit button effects, and lastly the sign up link. And one last part we missed, the button container. And that's it. CSS, check. Now let's look at the finished web page. We have completed the login form now. And that's it, the end. Now click the link on screen to check out my most magnificent video yet.